I'll accept the plea, dismiss the system, the light on you, but you gotta stay with me here. I mean it. Don't come back on one of these. Okay.
Welcome to Bench Scope USA.
Your name, ma'am? Good morning. You're charged with stalking. You see, you stalked the near a listed location on Montebello near Elbert after being advised not to do so. You're charged with that offensive. No, have a seat, sir. With the offense of stalking, and you have the right to a lawyer. Would you like a lawyer? Yeah. So you go out in the hallway. We'll set you up with a defense lawyer. Hey, Mr. Collins, will you? And we'll either way, you're coming back in front of me with your lawyer. Okay? Mr. Wakefield. So, Judge Huss. Okay. Michael Edward Patrick, 267-842-8738B. Good morning. Your name? You're charged with operating while intoxicated. You have the right to an attorney. Would you like an attorney? Yes. Okay, we'll set you up with a defense lawyer. So you can go out in the hallway. We'll give you the defense attorney. And then either way, you're coming back in front of me after you speak to him after he speaks to the prosecutor. Okay? Thank you. Adams, Danielle Levon Adams, 267-842-4608. Your name? Danielle Levon. Charged with driving on a suspended license. I can do, and no proof of insurance. You expired the plate. And either way, you have the right to an attorney if you want one, either that or I can arraign you and send you to the prosecutor. It's up to you. I can't. So you're going to waive your right to a lawyer and have me arraign you? I'll get it. Okay. We'll give you an attorney. You go out in the hallway, we'll set you up with a lawyer, okay? And either way, you're coming back in front of me. Your name? Doesn't lay out. Where were you? Hang on. Hang on. What happened here, Heather? You did not show up on the bench trial, did you?
I'm Justin Hop. I believe he's scheduled for. Let me look for Judge. I'm pulling
He's
it
up
up right
for
now.
he's up for a bench trial today. Okay.
And then, yes,
Did you have a lawyer or you just were in front? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and send you to the prosecutor. You guys figure out if it's going forward. If it is, we'll start the trial. Okay? Thank you. Go against Jacob Daniel Camacho, 260-842-071. Good morning, sir. Your name? All right, so you were arraigned on April 15th. You've been representing yourself, correct? Yes. And you met with the city attorney, the city attorney today, and they are going to dismiss the driving on the suspended. You're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Is that right? Yes, sir. If you do that, the possible penalties are up to $500 in fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand? Yes, sir. It's a sign, read and understand the advice of rights. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a hearing in the trial. Do you understand that? You still have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I will appoint you one. Would you like a lawyer? Prosecutor. So you are? Well, I know, but I'm going to tell you. If you want a lawyer, I'll give you one. Do you understand? Yes. All right. So you want a lawyer, or you don't want a lawyer? No. You waive your right to a lawyer. In charge of allowing a licensed driver to drive. How do you plead? Yes. On the 20th of March, 26th, 9:10 p.m., were you in control of the 2009 Chevrolet that was being operated on Allen Road in the city of Woodhead? Did you allow somebody to drive that was unlicensed? And that was you, correct? Are you licensed now or taking steps to get a license? You got to do that. Why didn't you ever get a license? You're 27, right? The sentence of the state, so I have to take her to travel by this violation back home in Las Vegas. You moved to Michigan from Las Vegas? Are you on probation or parole right now? Anybody forced to plead guilty? I'll accept the plea, dismiss the system, the light on you, but you gotta stay with me here. I mean it. Come back on one of these, okay? go take care of tickets in Las Vegas. They'll let you appear by Zoom if they're misdemeanors or pay them out if they're civil infractions. I don't know how old they are, what the circumstances, but you need to check into that and follow up, okay? Anything else you'd like to tell me before I sentence you? 100 fines, 125 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 350 or 60 days. Could have been a lot worse. Do you have the money to pay this? Okay. Down the hall and take care of it, and you're all set. Good luck. Jamie Antonio Williams Bay, 23W31736. Is that you, ma'am? I'll reschedule it. You want to go out a couple weeks, Heather?
Yes, our next date, 2 weeks out is June 10th. We could do 8:45.
What day of the week is that? Wednesday?
Wednesday, yes.
Okay. All right, that's what I'll do. Defendant to appear in person. Make sure we have defendant a lawyer then, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna have to be here, Miss Williams Bay. You understand that?
Yes, sir. And I will make sure I do come. And if when the thing do fall through, I will get paid and I can get a lift. So I
Okay,
just get
slow down.
today.
Slow
Yeah, I
down.
just get paid Friday, and I
Slow down. Slow down. I didn't understand what you were saying. We went off a
um
cliff.
I was saying like I'm gonna just make sure I got a lift. I'm not even about to make sure I got another person to give me a ride because typically not showing up. So a lift gonna show up. I'm gonna just make sure it's scheduled and reserved for next week on Wednesday.
It's 2 weeks from today, June 10th.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Did you do the positive strategies program?
Yes, sir. I paid for it, and when I went, I had one in there with a screen was broke.
Shouldn't really be talking to you about this. All I can tell you is I told you to attend the positive strategies program. Bring proof, defense attorney, bring proof, defendant, attorneys. I can't read my own writing sometimes, Heather. Something program at Oakland Community.
Yes. Yeah, I got my transcript if you need that. Like, I can have it emailed and anything like that.
Can you take care of your, and then I said the court will consider that. Heather, do you have any other notes on
I'm
this?
look I'm looking, Judge. I do not, because from when I scheduled it, it was a warrant cancellation. And prior to that, it looks like it was 2024. There was a letter to you. It goes way, and then it goes back to 23 when she actually was set.
So I'm gonna need you to appear here in person.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
You bring proof that you took care of whatever it is. I'm gonna have to go back and listen to the tape. Will you do that for me? Just make some notes. Okay, that's what we'll do. So you have to be here June the 10th, okay, young lady?
Yes, sir.
June the 10th, and just do whatever it is that I told you to do. June the 10th at 8:45, all right?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Dwayne Allen Vaughn, 180-128-136. All right, Heather, if I hear an order setting aside convictions here.
Check with Lisa and see if she recalls, because she does all the paperwork for those.
Right. I'm so sorry, Mr. Vaughn. I promise you I'm not going to take long. My apologies. I just need to get the order. You did have, correct me if I'm wrong, you did have send this to the Attorney General's office and the prosecutor, right?
Did.
Okay. Let me get that for you if I will. Bear with me, okay? I'm just going to need to get an order down here so I can fill it out while we're talking. Michael Lasky, Michael Joseph Lasky, 167809989. Good morning, Mr. Williams.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Good, how are you? Yeah.
Ethan was here on behalf of Mr. Lasky. He's the town of East for Lynn. Please travel.
Sir, your name?
Michael Lasky.
Where's Ethan?
Judge. He's been on a jury, but good jury. and, get into the on the record.
All right, so right now, we're gonna take this plea to allow a licensed driver to drive. Suspend, revoke, denied will be dismissed. Sure.
That's correct.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yeah.
If you plead guilty here to this, possible penalties are up to $500, fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
You sign leave and understanding advice or rights form here today.
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right. Charge, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. How do you plead? Were you in control of the 2011 Ford that was being operated on the Meyer Service Drive near Discount Tire in Woodhaven on August 31 of 16, 3:04 p.m.? And at that time, you weren't driving the vehicle? Yes? You were driving the vehicle, correct? And were you suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
Which?
Yeah.
And are you on probation or parole right now? Anybody force you to plead guilty? All right, I'll accept your plea to allow an unlicensed driver to drive. The drive while suspended is dismissed. I'm gonna go ahead and sentence him. Tell me, why is he taking 10 years to get it?
Judge, my client, is, he did love this record. My client, he got or their car the last 10 years.
What kind? What was his other choice?
Well,
Okay, that's not good.
but we're here for his judges. So his license back. He finally wanted to read that 2 years ago. Wanted to say that he got a very low dose of oxone. He's a vision specialist. He's finally getting things together. He's he's an electrician. He's working with the Courtroom hospital for that. And Judge actually he contacted me once about 18 months ago about my sponge technology. I said, well, it's right record. You should be able to take care of splitting the method. And before we think about doing anything, we obviously kept in touch. Then, from a financial standpoint, we're moving forward. Good news is, Judge, these forms been out for a long time.
10 years.
Yeah, good news is, don't like anything else. Even though you were waiting, and at this point we were waiting, staff was waiting, the president out doing and being involved in the handles the guy in the for and as an unfortunate, because of this giant chaos, prosecutor, this will not prevent him from moving forward with the same side because you were one felony. Sure.
Hey, Lisa, give me 1 second. I only just got 2 charges here. So many there.
That's what it said. 3, 6.
Yeah, he's got 6.
Oh, I only saw one of the documents.
This is only George.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. There's I mean, I forgot I was if you get clarification. I know there's what's going on up there. I do this all the time. Like I said, that judge, this is what we want. And now, this situation, we're going to be able to move forward. Explain that most of the frequency, CDC, and so on. It took a long while. It interviewed this court, a couple no shows, but we've got a great foundation.
Good.
Forward. That's what we want.
Right. Anything you'd like to say, Mr. Rand?
No, sir.
I wish you well. 100 fines, 250 costs, 75 victim charge, $50 justice assessment, 475 and 90. Okay, you're all set. Have a good day. Good luck. You stick with it, sir. So don't be tempted, okay? Thanks.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Good to see you, Mr. Williams. All right, now I'm going to take care of you, Mr. Vaughn. Dwayne Allen Vaughn, 180-128-136.